Theta US dollar medium-term support has essentially remained at 92 cents in a peaceful manner. Theta organization's current trading volume is 20 for N7500, which is a very noteworthy quantity. If you buy and sell Theta Club, it is worth roughly 63 cents. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to take the Theta organization cost exam for now or in about a week, and you should try to answer the questions that people often ask for explanations on what is a very short-term cost expectation for the Theta company. In every way that counts is that Theta has a very smart interest in a large way. Theta business support and resistance levels, etc. But before we get too deep into the Theta technical test, let's talk about the economy in a serious way. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1,053,100,425,532, as opposed to what most people think. The kind of trading volume that really counts stays at 71 B15 M534 287 in most cases. Bitcoin has 48.2. This is completely different from what most people believe about other digital currencies, such as Ethereum, whose value has dropped by 6.02% to $166. The medium-term support for the US dollar has remained at 92 cents, which is a very large number. XRP, the only local coin, is now trading at 51 cents. This demonstrates how Theta Group's support and resistance levels, among other things, work in a basic manner. Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after a 0.77 decline in value, or so they believed. A purchasing huge mostly awful drop can now be observed across the crypto market, indicating that a generally bad drop can now be seen across the crypto market, which is extremely essential. Theta organization support and resistance are essential technical indicators used to identify crucial price levels where the trend may change. For example, very strong support is a level where buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from sliding lower. Most people believe that the market is rising, but these events reveal that it is actually falling, which is also counter to popular belief. Theta organization's levels of assistance and difficulties are as follows. The Theta Group's execution, how much it costs to operate Theta is currently worth 63 cents, which is 5.81% less than it was 24 hours ago. Its value has changed by 14.63 over the previous week, indicating that support is a level at which buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from falling further. How these events clearly show that the market is declining, contrary to popular belief. All things considered, the daily trading volume for BTC is $20,49,745.7 US, and the total market cap is $633,626.95 US, which is a very important number because it shows how much support and opposition there is for the Theta Group execution of the Theta Group. How much it costs to run Theta is presently trading at 63 cents, a decrease of 5.81 cents in the last 24 hours and an increase of 14.63 cents in the last week. Support is a level at which buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from falling any further. Analysis of the value of the Theta Corporation. Theta price analysis for August 18, 2023 insight and in every practical sense dated daytime period. A specifically produced sense of below showing how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, is near 13.42 moving commonly normal SMA and outstanding moving really normal SMA and outstanding moving really normal SMA. Theta United States dollar moving common SMA and outstanding moving really normal. IMA. The mat line is moving below the signal line, which means bear according to our rule, or so they thought. The RSI is showing an oversold stage while trading at 29 and is trying to break out of the negative zone while showing a lot of negative strength, which shows that right now and in every possible way Bitcoin price forecast in light of recent events. Is it time to buy BTC? Bitcoin bulls pushed the currency above the 26,000 mark, sparking disputes about whether now is a good time to buy. Despite the fact that Bitcoin traded at 26,000 on Sunday, a decline of more than 0.5% from the day before, larger economic concerns remain in the background. Even if Bitcoin is popular, economist Peter Schiff believes that the United States is on the verge of a full-fledged financial collapse before the Federal Reserve can accomplish its inflation target. On a more positive note, SWIFT data shows that the US dollar is still the most commonly utilized currency for foreign payments. Charles Hoskinson, the man who invented Cardano, is confident that his concept will outperform Bitcoin and Ethereum and become the best cryptocurrency in the world. According to economist Peter Schiff, the United States is on the verge of a financial collapse. An economist, Peter Schiff, has issued a warning about a full-fledged financial crisis that is predicted to slam the U.S. economy before the Federal Reserve meets its inflation target. In his remarks at the Jackson Hole Symposium, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell avoided criticizing President Joe Biden, instead pointing to rising government budget deficits as a primary source of inflation, according to Schiff. Schiff spoke extensively about how the United States federal government and the Federal Reserve are a threat to liberty, wealth, and the Constitution from inside. Schiff's constant warnings that a catastrophe is on the way and that the Fed would play a part in it demonstrate how concerned he is, despite the fact that because of these warnings, the BTC-USD is falling today, which could be because Schiff's statements have made people more concerned about the economy. The US dollar remains the greatest option for making international payments. SWIFT records suggest that the US dollar is increasingly being used in global interbank transfers. Telecommunications in the financial sector. SWIFT reported that the US dollar was used in a record 46% of SWIFT FX transfers in July, up from just over a third a decade earlier. Most of this gain has come at the expense of the euro, which peaked in 2012 with a 46% share and has since declined to less than 25%. SWIFT data shows that transactions using the Chinese yuan are increasing. In July, they accounted for more than 3% of all SWIFT transactions. Bitcoin, BTC, historical price and market analysis. The current price of Bitcoin is $25,979.16, and it is currently ranked number 1 out of all cryptocurrencies. The amount of supply currently in circulation for Bitcoin is 19,475,043, with a total market capitalization of $504,529,003,365. In the past 24 hours, the price of Bitcoin has increased by 0.51%. Bitcoin has experienced a hard time gaining momentum over the past 7 days, down 0.51%. BTC is showing bearish signs this week. Now could be a good time to invest if you are thinking of buying Bitcoin. Within the last 30 days, the price of BTC dropped by 11.32%. Reducing its previous value of $29,295.40 by $3,316.24. This current downtrend means that Bitcoin is in dip right now. The price of Bitcoin